Are your pigs growing slowly, getting sick often, or always fighting? Many farmers blame feed, medicine, or bad luck. But the real problem might be the pig house itself. In today's video, I will share the biggest mistakes farmers make when building pig houses, and most importantly, how you can avoid them to save money, reduce pig stress, and increase profit. Stay with me till the end, because mistake number 10 is the one even experienced farmers still make, and it can cost you a fortune. Importance of pig housing. Before we jump into the mistakes, let's ask one question. Why is pig housing so important? A pig house is more than just a shelter. It controls the pig's comfort, health, and productivity. A bad house equals high mortality, poor growth, and wasted feed. A good house equals healthy pigs, better feed conversion, faster weight gain, and more money in your pocket. So let's look at the top mistakes farmers make when building pig houses and how you can avoid them. Mistakes and solutions. Mistake 1. Wrong location of pig house. Many farmers build pig houses anywhere they find space, near rivers, swamps, or in the middle of the village. That is a big mistake. Wrong location leads to flooding, disease spread, and angry neighbors complaining about the smell. Solution. Build on high, well-drained land. Place the pig house at least 30 to 50 meters away from homes or water sources. Always consider wind direction to reduce smell reaching people's houses. Mistake 2. Poor ventilation. Pigs cannot sweat like humans. If the house is hot and stuffy, they become stressed, eat less, and grow slowly. Solution. Build with open sides or wire mesh for airflow. Avoid sealing the house with blocks only. Use the east-west orientation to reduce direct sunlight, heating the building. Mistake 3. Wrong floor design. A wet, slippery floor is a death trap for pigs. It causes foot injuries, infections, and bad smell. Some farmers also use bare soil floors, which quickly get muddy and unhygienic. Solution. Use concrete floors with a rough finish for grip. Provide a slight slope, about 2 to 3%, so urine and water can drain out. Add proper drainage channels leading away from the pig house.
Wait, before we proceed, if you've been enjoying my videos and you want to keep learning about pig farming and other farming opportunities, I invite you to my WhatsApp platform. There, I share extra tips, answer questions, and create space for farmers to support one another. Just check the comments section or the description. Click the link and join us today.
Mistake 4. Wrong pen size and overcrowding. Overcrowding is one of the fastest ways to spread disease. Many farmers try to save money by keeping too many pigs in a small pen. Solution, general guideline, piglets, weaners, 0.3 to 0.5 square meters per pig. Growers, 0.7 to 1.0 square meters per pig. Fatteners, 0.7 to 1.0 square meters per pig, 1.0 to 1.5 square meters per pig. Breeding sows, 6 to 7 square meters per sow. Boars, 8 to 12 square meters per boar. More space equals less stress, less fighting, and healthier pigs. Mistake 5. Ignoring drainage around the house. Rainwater can destroy your pig house foundation and cause muddy surroundings that breed disease. Solution: dig drain channels around the piggery. Direct wastewater far away from the house. If possible, build a soak-away pit or biodigester to manage waste safely. Mistake 6. Wrong roofing design. Many farmers use zinc sheets without insulation. Under the hot sun, the roof becomes like an oven, and pigs suffer heat stress. Solution: use asbestos-free roofing sheets, thatch, or insulated materials. Extend the roof overhang at least 1 meter to protect walls from rain. Keep the roof about 2.5 to 3 meters high for air circulation. Mistake 7. No separation of different pig groups. Some farmers put all pigs together: big, small, male, female. This leads to fighting, injuries, and poor growth. Solution: separate pigs by age and purpose. Provide special pens for piglets, fatteners, pregnant sows, and boars. This way, feeding and management become easier. Mistake 8. Forgetting biosecurity. A pig house without biosecurity is a disease time bomb. Farmers allow visitors, traders, and workers to enter without any rules. That's how deadly diseases like ASF, African swine fever, spread. Solution: fence the piggery. Provide a footbath with disinfectant at the entrance. Limit visitors and always wash hands/boots before entering. Mistake 9. Building without considering. Future expansion. Many beginners build a very small pig house, then regret when they want to expand. They end up wasting money on another building. Solution: plan your piggery in blocks. Leave space for more pens, feed store, and manure management area. Always think long-term. Build for today, but plan for tomorrow. Mistake 10. Not considering. Waste management. This is the most ignored mistake. Pig manure is powerful, but if not managed well, it becomes a source of smell, flies, and pollution. Solution: collect manure daily. Use it for composting or install a biodigester to generate biogas. Keep surroundings clean to avoid complaints and diseases. Extra tips. Here are 3 quick bonus tips. Always use strong materials. Pigs are very destructive. Provide feeding and watering troughs at the right height. Design pens so cleaning becomes easy. You will thank yourself later. Conclusion. So, my friends, building a pig house is not just about bricks and roofing. It's about planning, health, and profit. Avoid these mistakes and follow the solutions I shared, and your pigs will grow faster, stay healthier, and bring you more money. Which of these mistakes have you seen most farmers making in your area? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more farming tips like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video, and may your farm always be profitable.